Welcome back. This is the first video of the course. If you've not watched the introduction to Google Colab in the previous video, you can click back and watch it. Because we'll be making use of Google Colab all the time. So Python, running a Python code, your editor runs the files through Python interpreter, which reads through the program and determines what each word in the program means. Example of a Python code, we'll be using Google Colab search.google.com and create a new notebook. You come to the top right to rename your notebook. Call it Python tutorial. The extension for your notebook is Ep1. So I come to the first cell and create a code cell. I like to delete the first one. Using print statements in Python. When an interpreter sees the word print followed by parentheses, it prints to the screen whatever is inside the parentheses. I can print the text hello Python words to the screen. I come to the left and run it. The output gives me hello Python word. That's it. One line of code and you just wrote your first Python program. Variables. Let's try using a variable. Add a new line at the beginning of the file and modify the second line. Store the string in a variable called message. Print the value stored in a variable message. And I run it. It prints hello Python word. We've added the variable name message. Every variable is connected to a value, which is the information associated with that variable. Let me zoom in a bit. You can change the value of a variable in your program at any time, and Python will always keep track of the current value. So example, I clear this. You can come here and click clear output. It's just here. Pam. Assign first message to the variable and print first message. Go to next line. I change the variable to a new message and print the updated message. I run it. It prints the first message and it prints the new message. Changing case in a string method. One of the simplest tasks you can do with strings is change the case of the words in a string. Look at the following code. Store a lowercase name in a variable. Print the name, title case, capitalize each word. And when you run it, it shows it capitalizes each word, which is A and L. The method .title appears after each variable in the print call. A method is an action that Python can perform on a piece of data. The dot tells Python to act on the name. The .title method changes each word to a title case where each word begins with a capital letter. You can also change a string to all uppercase or all lowercase like this. I clear output, print the name in all uppercase, print the name in all lowercase, and when I run it, it shows the first one in all uppercase and it shows the second one in all lowercase. The .lower here method is particularly useful for storing data. You typically won't want to trust capitalization that your users provide. Convert strings to lowercase before storing them.